Welcome to Sunlight Ecotourism Island Resort dito sa Coron. We just spent 3 days and 2 nights dito and grabe, ang ganda ng place. Super relaxing, a perfect na break from city life. We booked their suite stay package, perfect for couples or honeymooners. We stayed in Siracan Villa. The room is 45 square meters, good for two, may queen bed, glass bottom floor sa loob at labas. Oo, literally, nakikita mo yung tubig sa ilalim. Private balcony with jacuzzi at syempre, facing an amazing ocean view. May gym at infinity pool din na facing sa dagat. Perfect kung gusto mo mag-workout or chill swim lang habang enjoy ang view. We tried the teppanyaki restaurant and the food was excellent. Such a fun and unique dining experience. During our stay, we did some of the complimentary activities like biking around the island at snorkeling. At night, we had dinner by the beach and watched a private outdoor movie. We also tried jet skiing. Extra charge pero worth it talaga. Overall, super relaxing at memorable ang stay namin. For 35,700 pesos per person, sulit na sulit ang experience. If you're looking for a mix of relaxation, adventure, and luxury, Sunlight Ecotourism Island Resort sa Coron should definitely be on your travel bucket list.